Hey everyone! Well, Kendrick and I are on the road again, so I thought it was a great chance to catch up on our next video. Last month we attended the Overland West Expo in Flagstaff, Arizona. This is an expo for all things off-road, and it's a great chance to check out some new ideas and products. Last week I released a video showcasing some of the products that help out with possibly one of the most important aspects of off-grid living, going to the bathroom. This week, I want to focus on a very close second, eating. Depending on your style of camping, there are a million gadgets out there to help you create the perfect camp meal. So, here are just a few that I was able to check out at the show. Enjoy! Last year at the Overland show, we found the best French press ever. It's our 40-ounce planetary design insulated French press. I didn't ever get to make a video of them, so now we're going to go visit them and have them tell you all about their cool stuff.
Hey guys, I'm Tim with Brew Trek, and what we do is make coffee gear for your adventure. This is an example of our double wall vacuum insulated stainless steel French press. And what makes this unique, other than it being super durable, is it comes with our patented brew stop plate. And so what this does, it acts as a barrier between the coffee grounds in the bottom of your pot and the coffee above to prevent overbrewing, oversteeping if you want to use it for tea. Pop it on there and it'll be hot for 2 to 3 hours. Comes in a size of 48 ounces, 32, and a cute little 20 ounce. This is our other product known as the Airscape. Great coffee and food storage device. So how this works, you pop the top lid off and you'll see a little inner plunger right here. And what that does, there's a little vent right there. And what that will do is expel nearly 100% of the oxygen in your container. Flip that lid down, cuts off the valve, and you have no more oxygen in your food. Comes in a 4-inch size with a half a pound of coffee, a 7-inch size for a full pound of coffee, and same right here, and this is made out of super durable Triton plastic. To find out more about our products and you want to go online, visit us at www.planetarydesign.com and you'll find all you need there.
I'm in front of iCamper. Now, I saw them do a Kickstarter a while back for a really cool fold-out kitchen. So I'm going to go check it out and see if they've got it here.
I'm Aaron here with iCamper. We're showing off our iOX. It stands for All-in-One Kitchen System. You can go ahead and close everything all together, and it's one rolling box. So our kitchen system allows you to add all of your fuels and camping gear to have any of your cooking products inside there. Alright, the great thing about our product is actually it's a all-in-one system, and it allows you to actually take it and roll it on ease. If you want to learn more, go ahead and go to iCamper.com if you would like to purchase one. It's a iOX, all-in-one kitchen system.
Y'all know we're big fans of solar, so when it comes to cooking, having a solar solution is pretty innovative. GoSun is right behind me, and they have a cool oven we're going to check out.
Hi, I'm Danette with Off-Grid Gear to Go for the Wild Outdoors, and we're featuring today the GoSun solar ovens. This is a newer technology. It uses UV light to cook. You put your food in the tray, meats, vegetables, all kinds of breads, biscuits, even cookies. You slide it in. You can use silicone cups like these. Great for scrambled eggs or baking because it uses UV light. This copper shield inside retains all that heat. It heats up quickly, up to 550 degrees. But the outside stays cool to the touch, so you don't burn yourself. We have different sizes. This is the sport model, great for 2 people. It's lightweight, hardly weighs much. This is the Go model. And this one, you can pour water directly in the tube and have boiling water in 25 to 30 minutes. And you can take this, pour it in your Mountain House freeze-dried food pack, and you're ready to go. You don't need full sun. It could be cloudy outside. It can be cold outside, and it'll still cook. We have a website, Off-Grid Gear to Go, and we have a toll-free number, 866-448-4327. Give us a call and we'll ship it anywhere.
Campfires are obviously key to cooking when you're camping, and there is this Wolf'em stick that is kind of a new thing that I think the kids might really enjoy.
Hey, I'm Julie Harrison with the Wolf'em Stick, here to show you a brand new camping activity, new to Overland this year. It's a Wolf'em Stick, rotary handle, biscuit attachment, super easy to use, First step, take non-stick spray. Spray at the end of the dowel, just like that. And then, next, you take pop can biscuit dough, or any kind of biscuit dough that you like. You mold it over the dowel, just like this, until the wood is completely covered. Don't worry about the stick catching on fire. People always ask that. It won't, it's a hardwood. And then, we're gonna cook it over the fire for 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, we are done. So you simply take it off, stick fresh baked bread over the campfire. Can you see that steam coming off? So now you can fill it with whatever you like to eat. Pudding, pie filling, whipped cream, top it off and wolf it down. You can put spaghetti, meatballs, bacon, eggs, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, taco meat, yogurt, everything. We also have a hot dog marshmallow attachment, backwards facing, so hot dogs and marshmallows don't fall into the fire. Super easy to swap out when you're tired of making biscuits, which you never will be, but you can also make marshmallows and hot dogs using your Wolf and Stick rotary handle as well.
Yeah, I'm Ramin Rezvani with Nomatica Outfitters out of Portland, Oregon. This is the fire camp here. It's basically a portable fire pit. It's got an adjustable height grill. You can use charcoal or wood with it. There's a little ash catcher at the bottom, plate underneath to catch anything that falls through. It's all stainless steel. The adjustability is super nice in case the fire gets out of control or you want to cook something different on it. The grill part comes off completely. You can use it just as a fire pit. This is nice for the increasing number of burn bans that are happening. So you'd have to check in local areas to see what is actually burn ban acceptable, but in a lot of areas this will work. Yeah, so another great thing about this is that it basically flat packs down into this case that's included with it. It's a really well-made case, heavy canvas. And this is available at nomaticooutfitters.com, and we can ship it anywhere in the US.
Hopefully 1 or 2 of those products inspired you to go out and create your perfect camp meal. If so, you can find links to all of the products in my blog linked in the description below or at mandyleephoto.com. Thanks for riding with us for a few minutes. If you want to keep up with our adventures, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Mandy Lee Photo. Love and light.